Alright, you guys, we about to do some rolls real quick. Some 40 rolls. Let's do it. I'm about to follow you. I'm about to get gapped, guys. I'm gonna try it in sport. Appreciate it, bro. Yeah, because I've honestly been trying to find a steering wheel similar to this. Everyone else had carbon fiber, black. I was like, there is really nothing that has red with this type of material. Alcantara and suede, yeah, so I had to just match it up. Gotta always just be different, bro. That's it. Let's do it. I'm gonna follow you. All right, guys, so we about to do a 40 roll real quick. I love my car, bro. Just sounds so good. I think he's about to pop a UE right here. Let's get up to 40. Should have popped this UE. Right? I was pretty good. Damn, bro, this freaking guy's right there. Let's get some space for him. Yeah, right? Alright, but okay, but yeah, that's the one thing. Initially, this car, when you like, especially when you're in a certain gear or whatever, it takes a while for all the torque to like kick in, but once it does, the C8's moving. I'm not gonna say it's like those M's, because you know, Beamers are in their own category. Up top is like where they live at. So, but yeah, that car is pretty quick. Mine just has a little bit more juice, you know, a little bit more horses in there, but besides that, this car is amazing, bro. Oh, okay. All right, ready? Hog it. Yep. Don't you guys just love when your car performs and it actually does the shit it's supposed to do? Yo. Every time this shit happens, it makes me love this car even more. Literally. Yeah. Ready? Yep. You gonna get? Ready? Oh shit. Oh shit, I missed that. Damn, that was crazy. I missed the turn. I gotta go back that way. The last one was really good, bro.
Any mistakes or anything?
Kind of shifted late, but
I mean, the car shifted itself.
Oh, really?
The other ones I kept on missing the shift.
Oh.
The last one I made it shift itself.
It's always faster too. People don't know this car really keeps up, bro.
Yeah, that's it.
This car keeps up. Oh my god, bro.
What do you think about that, bro?
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. If I didn't have this, I would definitely buy it. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. If I didn't have it, I'd definitely buy it.
It's just the price is right there as a vet.
Right. Honestly, yeah, it's true. Price point wise, it's just like a Vet.
I mean,
If you really think about it, like you could find a good model for like 90 to 95.
yeah.
Pretty much the same price. It's truly up to like the driver. Like if you want convertible and all that, then go with this, of course. But if you want
And I
luxury,
think that is more like, if you want a car that handles maybe, you know, instant turn.
it takes the corners, right?
It's taking the corner pretty good too.
Yo,
I don't know. You guys tell us in the comments which one you choose.
tell us, man. Lexus, Corvette, whichever one. Let me know in the comments. Appreciate you guys watching this video. We'll be back with another one.
Bye-bye.
Follow.